Welcome to the first experiment of the Java programming lab, control statements. So this is our first program of the experiment one, where we have a task given to us to generate a multiplication table. We have an input format and constraints for the input, and we are required to generate an output with the result should not exceed 20. So let us see how the code executes. I'm using scanner class, creating an object which accepts the value of n from the user. N is the table for the number for which the table will generate. Result, we run a for loop from 1 to less than equal to 10, which was a constraint for I, and result is equal to n into I. And we using if we check whether result is less than equal to 20, and we print it accordingly. So let's see how this executes. As you can see, we have got the output up till 20. Now let's move to the second program. Now the question for the second program is, we need to create a following series. We have our input format where q is subsequent line contains three space separated integers describing the respective a, b, and n values. So we have constraints for q, a, b, and n, and we are required to generate a sample output for each of the a, b, and n. So let us see how this executes. So I've used scanner class again using created a scanner object accepting the values of a, b, n, and q from the user, and I'm using a double power to store the power, which I'll be calculating in the for loop. The power is equal to mat.power using the power function, and finally the expression will be stored in C, and explicit type conversion to int because C was double, and finally I'll print R, and let's see how this executes. So as you can see, we've got the required output. So experiment one is complete and the output is verified. Thank you.